dancing very well. So then the Lord in the form of a horse says, I don't only dance, I go for the tour. You want to sit down in my back? So the 4 Vedas climbed at the back of the horse, and the Lord took them to the safe area to protect from the demon. So this is the first incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And this is called?
Hayagriva.
Yeah, it's a Hayagriva. Okay. Then the second incarnation, the third one we are talking about now, is called for the island known as Harivarsha. Okay. And the Ishtadev of Harivarsha is Narsingadev. So Narsingadev did not appear here. He appeared in Harivarsha. Okay. And who is the worshipper of Narsingadev? Who you think that the worshipper is? Who is the cause of Narsingadev's appearance? Prahlad Maharaj. So Prahlad Maharaj is the worshipper. The Ishtadev is Lord Narsingadev. And he comes in which Varsha? Harivarsha. So that is the avatar place of Narsingadev. So I am just telling you about the 7 islands that are there. And the 4th one is called the Ketumala Varsha. And the Ishtadev of Ketumala Varsha is known as the Kamdev. Have you ever heard of this incarnation of the Lord? The incarnation known as Kamdev, Kampurush it is called. Kampurush, this particular incarnation protects the society from downfall. His duty is to attract the society. Kamdev. Just like the Shastras explain, Kam means beauty. Kam means determination. Like this Kam Purush we are talking about. What are the qualities that attracts us? Like say that, we are to marry our daughter to somebody very sophisticated and very smart. What are the qualities you look at it? For somebody to become a very handsome and good person. Just a Swarup. Now, that's the thing that people only look into and they get cheated too much. Because they only look how he looks, not what somebody is. So what are the good qualities? I'm not trying to, be like, to examine, but rather, what is the natural quality that we look into somebody to be attractive? Somebody looking nice and good qualities also. जैसे इंडिया में होता है ना कि ये दारू पीने वाला आदमी बहुत पिएगा, बेटी को पीटेगा, मारेगा, इसको बेटी नहीं देना है. कुछ तो होते हैं जो नेगेटिव क्वालिटी होते हैं. Isn't it? Some negative quality. So, first thing is the Swarup. The second is called the Dhritya, the ability of a determination. Like, you see somebody that, he's so determined, he's so optimistic and he's so positive about things like, you know what, we can do it. If it is not possible, then God would not have created in this world. Because it is being created, it is possible. And very sober and tolerant to any situation. Like whatever may happen, there might be an earthquake or there might be a tornado, there might be a volcano. But the person is very thoughtful of how to deal with it. These are the good qualities. So this calm or incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the person who has all these good qualities within him. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, काम के बाण से लग गया. Have you ever heard of this? That somebody is being shot by the arrow of Kamdev. कभी मूवी दिखे होंगे ना आप? That the arrow made out of a flower, comes from the bow, then it gets shot to somebody's heart, and a man is being attracted by that woman now because of this arrow complete. So this quality that is in Kamdev, it has been described that every woman of the world are being attracted by this Kamdev, means this quality of this person. So this is a Supreme Personality of Godhead who takes birth in Ketumala Varsha. Now sometimes people are very much inclined for sense gratification. Yes? Like, they get drawn anywhere and everywhere where there is sense gratification. So there was a time in this particular tract of land when the society was diverted towards beauty, especially the women being diverted to their opposite partner. And it was too much. So the Lord particularly comes in the form of Kamdev. He particularly comes in the form of Kamdev. And now what happened? That everyone got diverted and got attracted to him. Because he possessed all these good qualities, but he lives as an, he looks like an ordinary man. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So everyone, instead of being diverted in a society, became attracted to the Supreme Lord. So anybody that came to him, the Lord, it's not a question of he would get married, but he would just say, wait, just wait. So the meditation becomes, like if somebody tells you, I don't like you, then you might get to, turn your face away from you. But if somebody tells you, you know what, I like you, but can we wait? Then what happens? Then you simply wait for him. So what happened was people were simply waiting for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, especially at that particular time. So this is an incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead who develops attraction in the heart of the people. So this is Kamdev. Krishna is also known as Kamdev. Madan Mohan. You know have you heard of this name of Krishna? What does Madan means? Madan is calm. Okay. Mad is what? When you say mad?
Intoxication.
Pagalpan. Yes, madness is called the mad. Okay. So mad is, so sometimes you go, you say madhu. What does madhu means?
Honey.
If you take too much, you become mad. You can't take too much honey. You become mad, hallucinating. Okay. So the word madhu comes from madness. Okay. So the Lord is known as Madan Mohan. Madan means one who attracts the guy who makes everyone mad. And who makes everyone mad?
Krishna.
This guy we are talking about. Who is this? Kamdev. Kamdev, who is able to attract everyone, is attracted by Krishna. Okay? So therefore, like in Vrindavan, there is one of the pastimes. Radha and Krishna, they were in the forest. Srimati Radharani was very much attracted by Krishna. But Krishna is a Supreme Personality of Godhead. He can decide to love somebody or not decide to love. That's up to him. He is completely controlled about the love. Now, in our theory, what do we talk about the love? Love is blind. But in Krishna's case, love is not blind. Okay, he can decide who to love and who not to love also. That's his position. Okay? So at one point, Krishna acted like that he does not really love anybody of this world. So then Radharani goes to Kamdev. The Kamdev, he says, can you shoot an arrow at the heart of Krishna? So he starts loving me. So Kamdev shoots the arrow. Krishna looks at Kamdev, he is burned to ashes right there. Because Krishna simply looked at the direction where the arrow came from. And he burnt Kamdev. So Madan Mohan is who? Krishna. One who can bewilder the person who bewilders the whole world. As you know, Srimad Bhagavatam says that the beauty of opposite partner by nature, you might not like this man or that man, but there is no chance that you don't like anybody. There is no chance that you don't like any ladies or you don't like any man. It is somebody somewhere. The attraction is still there. So this is called Kam. Now, because Krishna is able to attract even the person who makes the whole society work together. They say this, in other words, this attraction of marriage life is a key of cycle. That's what actually draws everyone. Like Prabhupada used to give an example. What if one particular government of the country makes the rule that no more partners in this world? He said the society will stop working. Because the blind society, that's what drives everything. But here, the Lord is known as Madan Mohan because he has ability to destroy the Kam also in the heart. And Radharani is known as what?
Madan Mohan Mohini.
Madan Mohan Mohini. कहाँ से सुने आप? तो Madan Mohan Mohini, one who can build a person who builds the whole world. Who builds the whole world? Is Krishna. Any portion, anything that Krishna does. Yes? You go to Grand Canyon. Who is it been created by nature? Nobody created it. You think that is the most beautiful thing in the world. You think there is nothing behind this. Or apart from this Grand Canyon, there is nothing in the planet. So you come to Sedona, you look at one mountain, you get attracted by that and say, there is no more beautiful than this. And you go to Niagara Falls, and you look at the falls, and what do you think? There is nothing more important than this. Then you go to South India where there is Augusta Fall. Have you been to that? Yeah. I have been there. So Augusta Fall, it is the most beautiful thing. I thought there is nothing in the whole planet which is more beautiful than this. The creation of Krishna is such that he has a complete attraction to everything that has been created in this world. Isn't it? Just like, nothing to, built by the higher, concept in life. Even the traffic light. As soon as this turns yellow, this goes green. Or this turns red and this goes green. Automatically. Oh my God. Kya srishti hai? So Krishna has every aspect of his creations are enough to build any of us. Isn't it? Sometimes it doesn't take too much. Even the yogurt rice or tamarind rice can build us. किसने बनाया? जिसने भी बनाया उसके हाथ में तो लक्ष्मी देवी का अवतार है ही. So everything in society is enough to build us. That's our position. But Radharani is known as Madan, Mohan, Mohini. One who can build even the Madan who builds Kamdev, Kamdev who builds the whole society. So who can help us out? Radharani. So this is Kamdev. Now, the worshipper of Kamdev is Prajapatis. The Prajapatis worship him. They are the worshippers. Every deities have their Ishta worshipper, and every deities have their Ishta Sasan or the place. So the fifth one is Ramyaka verse. Ramyaka verse is being ruled by Vaivasat Manu, and the Ishtadev of that space is who? Ishtadev is Matsyadev, Lord Matsya, Matsya Avatar. So Matsya Avatar comes in Ramyaka verse. Okay. So do you know a little bit about Matsya Avatar? What do you know about him? So basically, Matsya Avatar came at a time when again the same creation was done, but before even, it was a mistake, before even creating good people, Lord Brahma created a bad people. So it was not a good balance. First of all came the knowledge. He brought the knowledge, the four Vedas, again next creation. Then instead of creating somebody who can handle the knowledge, he created somebody that destroys the knowledge, the demons. So the Lord had to come. So he comes in the form of Matsyadev. So he comes. There is Manu Maharaj, who is known as the Manu called the Satyavrat Manu. Satyavrat Manu. Satyavrat Manu was very pious king. And every day he would go and take bath in Ganga. So that is the duty of a king, right, in the morning time. He gets up at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, timing is not here, not mentioned. So it should be Brahma Muhurta time. So he went one day to the water and he's taking bath. He takes bath, takes some water in his Anjali, and he's just about to come back home. And he dips his kamandalu. Then there is a small fish that he sees inside the pot. And he says, maybe this water is Ashuddha, let me pour this one out and I will fill up again. So he's just about to pour the water. Then the little fish inside the water says, Maharaj, I have taken your shelter. You are a king, supposed to